When it comes to planning your next adventure, choosing the right travel booking platform can make all the difference in your wallet. Trip.com and Booking.com are two of the most popular options available, each offering unique features that cater to different travel needs. But which one will truly save you more? Trip.com often shines when it comes to deals on flights and packages, especially if you're looking for a comprehensive travel solution that includes accommodations, transportation, and activities all in one place. Their user-friendly interface makes it easy to compare prices across various services, ensuring you get the best bang for your buck. On the other hand, Booking.com boasts an extensive selection of accommodations with competitive rates. Their strength lies in their vast inventory of hotels, hostels, and vacation rentals worldwide. Plus, they frequently offer free cancellation on many listings, perfect for those who like flexibility in their travel plans. Ultimately, the choice between Trip.com and Booking.com depends on what aspects of your trip are most important to you. If you're after package deals or a streamlined booking process for multiple components of your trip, Trip.com may be your best bet. However, if securing an ideal place to stay at a great price is paramount for you, then Booking.com could be worth exploring further. Before making a decision, it's wise to compare prices directly on both platforms tailored to your specific itinerary. This way, you'll ensure that you're not only saving money, but also optimizing every aspect of your upcoming adventure.